one more chance to see it clear. Step by step we slow it down. The lab begins right here. Don't touch the dirt too fast, let the water lead the way. Loose grit running from the edge before the hands can play. A little sound on the surface tells the story underneath. What looks clean from far away still has something we can feel. Sit down, let it flow. Same start line, now we know. Baseline clean, let the water shine. One clear step at a time. Hope in the glass, light in the view. Reset road coming through. Baseline clean before the test. Give every zone the same fair chance. Clean is not reset, but now we begin. Salon Lab, let the clear view in.